Meaning of field hockey.
Field hockey.
Field hockey.
Field hockey.
Field hockey. Field hockey is a team sport that is played on a field. The objective of the game is to score goals by hitting a small, hard ball into the opposing team's goal using a curved stick. It is a popular sport globally, with major international competitions held regularly. Field hockey requires skill, speed, and agility, as well as teamwork and strategy. It is also known for its physical demands, with players frequently running and maneuvering over a large field for extended periods. Overall, field hockey is an exciting and challenging sport that requires both mental and physical prowess to succeed.